Happy New Year, YouTube family. I hope you had a wonderful holiday celebration with your family. So it's a new year, so it's time to refresh and reset my bedroom. So I'm going to be taking you guys along on that. I'll show you some of the new items that I got for the space. And also I got a few self-care items. Like this year, we'll talk about 2023. My main priority is self-care, and you cannot pour from an empty cup. Yes, can I get an amen? So my priority is self-care, things that help me to reset so that when I pour, I am not pouring from an empty cup, but a full cup. So I'll show you some of the items that I got for that as well. So right now I am making my bed. Like the first month of the year, I like to start off with clean new sheets, and these are from JCPenney. So if you saw my Christmas bedroom decoration, I had teal in here. It was really beautiful. Right now I'm going back to neutral. I used this same color last year, so the only thing that I changed out is the sheets, and they are from JCPenney, and they are sponsoring today's video. I'll show you some of the items that I got from JCPenney along with some of the self-care items that I told you that I got as well. So here are the boxes. One of the items that I really wanted to get for myself this year is a heated blanket. I had one many years ago and I loved it, so I wanted to get one. So when I saw this one on JCPenney, I had to get it because right here in this corner right here, this is where I spend time meditating, reading, or sometimes watching TV. So I wanted a heated blanket, so when I'm sitting here relaxing, I can actually, get cozy with the blanket there. And right now it is the winter time, so it is perfect. It does come with a remote and the charger, and you can set if you want it high or low. I have already started using it and I love it. And I love this little corner right here. If you are renovating your bedroom, definitely add like a little sitting area if you can. It doesn't have to be a sofa. It can be a chair and a table, somewhere to just sit down and read, meditate. I love this space right here. I'm so happy that all the Christmas decoration is out of the room. Like, as much as I love holiday decor, like just getting rid of everything at the end of the year just makes me feel so good. So I'm so happy to have the space back. I also cleaned out my bathroom, added a few essentials just to kind of get the year started. My bathroom is one of my favorite spots in our house because I get to relax in here every Friday. I have made it a point to have a spa day, and that includes just treating myself, relaxing. And I picked up a new robe from JCPenney along with this mat here, and I also picked up a face mask. So I have been looking to get a face steamer to add to my skincare routine because we're not getting any younger. So I saw one at JCPenney, so I decided to get that. This is what it looks like. I am yet to try it out, but I'm putting it right here on my shelf so that I can use it the next time when I take off my makeup tonight. I'm gonna try it out. So yeah, let me know if you guys have used the face steamer. If you have, do you love it? And talking about 2023, what are your goals this year? Let me know in the comments what your goals are, what you plan to do this year. So I'm taking the first week of the year to rest, to relax, and plan for the new year. So important to rest, so important to reset, because like I said, I don't want to be pouring from an empty cup. I also got the set of facial masks. It comes with different types. My favorite is the vitamin C. This will be added to my spa day collection. I don't play with my spa day. That is the time that I get to relax. At least I try to do it every Friday, if not every other Friday. So those are the things that I do to help me reset for the new year. Again, starting the new year with a clean slate, clean home, all the holiday decoration put away. Resting, meditating, and planning for the new year definitely helps me. What helps you to start the year? Let me know in the comments. I also want to take the time to say thank you so much for your continued support over the years. You guys are truly amazing, and I hope you stick around for 2023. So I've linked everything from JCPenney in my description box. Don't forget to check it out. Thank you so much again, and have a blessed new year.